Hello everyone, we are excited to launch our WhatsApp Sandbox for new trial users. If you're trialing Whautomate platform, you don't have to connect your WhatsApp account. You can just trial it using our WhatsApp Sandbox for free. Yeah, let's just look at how to set it up pretty quickly, and it's pretty easy to start off as well. I'm just gonna fill in the sign up form. I am based on the number of users I need. I am going to fill in all the details. Once I'm done with all the details, I'm going to click on register. Yeah, I'm just going to fill in the location, and you can choose the category. I am going to call it, and you can fill in the address. Once this is done, we have successfully signed up. Basically what we have done is we have simplified the onboarding process. We gave a bunch of instructions on what are all the things that you can try after you sign up. In this video we are predominantly looking at the WhatsApp integration trial. Let me just go into the integrations and click on setup trial. So you can either scan the QR code or you can click on the send message button, which will pretty much you send this code to this particular number to enable the trial. I'm gonna go in here and I am gonna send this to this number. Voila, it is connected to my Sandbox account as well. Yeah, now if I refresh this page, I should actually see the connection working as well. Now that we have connected, pretty much the team inbox is enabled. We've got the message that we sent come through here as well, and by default we add a client record and we add a bunch of other things to try out as well. Let's just test out the messaging. So hello there, and yeah, we are getting the notification. That means we are getting the message as well. And if I respond to the conversation, basically I get it as well. So that's how you set up the WhatsApp trial. Pretty much you can follow the getting started guide. We also offer mobile app. You can download our mobile app and try out the messaging on our mobile app. And you can perform other things like sending broadcasts, installing a chatbot on your Sandbox and trying out as such. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to sign up for a free trial, the link is in the description, or you can go to whautomate.com and sign up for a free trial as well. Thank you.